Welcome, this is CISC1000, Information Technology Fundamentals and Practices, and I am Miguel Costa. Shall we start? Follow me. Topic 6 is about system software. In this video too, we focus on the bolded outcomes. Mobile operating systems, or simply mobile OS, are a type of embedded operating system. Every mobile computer, including smartphones, tablets, and wearables, requires an operating system. These mobile operating systems are less complicated and more specialized for wireless communication. Some of the best known are Android, iOS, Windows Phone 8. Android was introduced in 2007 by Android Inc., but purchased by Google. It's widely used in many smartphones. iOS, formerly known as iPhone OS, was developed by Apple in 2007 for the iPhone and iPod. It is based on the Mac OS. And the Windows Phone 8, introduced in 2012 by Microsoft, was designed to support a variety of mobile devices, including smartphones. In 2015, Microsoft introduced Windows 10 Mobile as a replacement for Windows Phone. It has the ability to run many powerful programs designed for desktop and laptop computers. Remember what we discussed in topic 5, that not all mobile applications will run on all smartphones. That's because an app is designed to run on a particular software platform or operating system. Therefore, before you download an app, be sure that it's designed to run with the operating system on your mobile device. Otherwise, it will not work. Desktop operating systems. Every personal computer has an operating system controlling its operations. Operating systems commonly used by individuals are Windows, Mac OS, Unix, and Linux. Let's talk about that in more details. Microsoft Windows, the most widely used operating system. More application programs are developed to run under Windows than any other operating system. Windows comes in a variety of different versions and is designed to run with a variety of different microprocessors. The two most current versions are Windows 8 and Windows 10. Let's get a look on that. The Windows 8 was released in 2012, created to better integrate with Microsoft Mobile's operating systems. They provide support for gestures, cloud integration, and apps. It introduced a new interface which is similar to the interface for the Microsoft Mobile operating system. The Start screen consists of tiles, with each tile linked to an application. See the figure at the right side. The Windows 10, released in 2015, merges Windows desktop and mobile operating systems. The Windows 10 runs on all Windows devices, including desktop, tablets, and smartphones. You can see the image at the right side. The Windows 10 includes Cortana, a digital assistant that can accept commands through text or speech, or Windows app, such as Office, and contains other innovations, including a new browser and improved gaming. The Apple's Mac OS. Mac OS was designed to run only with Apple computers, not as widely used as Windows operating system, resulting in fewer application programs written for it. However, the use of Mac OS is rapidly increasing and is widely recognized as one of the most innovative operating systems. Originally named Mac OS X until 2012, then OS X until 2016, and currently is Mac OS. Since 2011, new releases happen on annual basis, so the two most recent versions are Mac OS High Sierra and Mac OS Mojave. Let's get a look in some previous versions mentioned in our test book. For example, the OS X Mavericks introduced better power management and better integration with cloud computing. 1 year later, the OS X Yosemite provided a new interface similar to iOS interface and greater compatibility with Apple Mobile. Two most recent versions, the macOS High Sierra, focus on technical updates and performance improvements rather than user features, and the latest, macOS Mojave, brought several iOS apps to the desktop, and is the final version of macOS to support 32-bit apps. Then we talk about Unix. The Unix operating system was originally designed to run on mini-computers in networks environment. Now is used by servers on web, mainframe computers, and by powerful personal computers. There are a large number of different versions of Unix. The Linux is probably the most popular one. It's an open source operating system, allowed in free distribution, and is an alternative to Windows that encourage modification and improvements to the code. The Google Chrome OS based on Linux focuses on internet connectivity and cloud computing. The limitation is the efficiency depends on the speed of the internet. Virtualization, the ability to support multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. With the virtualization software, the physical machine can be logically separated in two or more independent virtual computers known as virtual machines. Each machine appears to the user as a separate independent computer with its own operating system. The host operating system is the operating system of the physical machine, and guest operating system is the operating system on all of the virtual machines. Users can switch between the virtual computers and programs running on them. There are several programs that create and run virtual machines, such as Parallels. See at the right side the example of OXX running Windows. In this video too, we compare mobile operating systems iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. We compare desktop operating systems including Windows, macOS, Unix, and Linux, and we talk about virtualization. As follow our reference textbook. Thank you for watching, and see you around.